Surgery is over, and your doctors have finished their work. You might think the event is done, but for your body, the real work is just beginning. While you sleep, an invisible army is mobilizing. A multi-billion cell construction project is underway to rebuild you. This isn't just recovery, it's a 2,000-hour marathon happening beneath your skin. Today, we're looking inside to see the incredible science of how your body heals itself. Within minutes of the first incision, your body enters Phase One, inflammation. For relatives watching at home, this is often the scariest part. The area becomes red, warm, and swollen. But this isn't a sign of failure, it's a sign of a high-speed response. Your blood vessels are dilating the roads to rush in the first responders' white blood cells. Their job? Sanitation. They act as a cleanup crew, clearing out microscopic debris and bacteria. Without this heat and swelling, the rebuilding process can't even begin. It's the essential demolition before the new construction. By day 3, the demolition is done, and the architects arrive. This is Phase 2, proliferation. Your body begins to act like a living 3D printer. Specialized cells, called fibroblasts, start weaving a temporary framework made of collagen. Think of this as the scaffolding of a building. At the same time, your body is rewiring the electrical system, your nerves, and replumbing the area with tiny new blood vessels. If you notice the wound looks a bit thick or itchy, that's actually the construction noise of millions of cells working over time. The final phase is the longest, remodeling. It starts a few weeks after surgery and can last for over a year. Your body is no longer just filling the hole. It's refining the work. That initial messy collagen is taken down and replaced with organized high-strength fibers. A scar will never be 100% the same as original skin. It lacks sweat glands and hair follicles, but it can reach about 80% of the skin's original strength. It is a permanent monument to your body's resilience. Recovery isn't just about waiting. It's about witnessing the most sophisticated biological engineering project on Earth. Whether you are a student of medicine or a worried family member, understanding this process helps us respect the journey. If you found this journey fascinating, hit the like button and tell us in the comments which phase of healing surprised you the most.